Alright, RV and backyard friends, we have a very interesting test for you today from our mobile test studio. Today we are going to test these backyard string lights. There are 25 of them. I wanted to try them out. I thought it'd be cool to put like on the awning when we're at the campsites and that kind of stuff. I thought it'd be nice to splash up the outside of the RV while we're camping. I got them on Amazon, the link's below. Assuming you like them and assuming I don't put them up and say they suck, please use that link to purchase them if you're interested at all, because it really helps support the channel by doing that. Let's open them up and check them out. Ooh, oh, look at that. They are pretty well pre-assembled. I thought I was going to have to put like 25 light bulbs in to get this to work. Comes with 2 spare light bulbs, which is a nice thing. This is about as plug and play as anything I've seen. On them, they have hooks on them, so it should be super easy to attach to the awning. And where's the plug? Let's see what we got. And let's hit it with some electricity. Look at that. That is so cool. I also like the nice warm kind of yellow incandescent light, not the LED, the stark white LED lights. They look pretty cool. We're gonna hook them up, see how they work, and we'll show you that. But again, the link's below. Click on that. The price is right, $15.99. You can't go wrong with these for dressing up the outside of your RV or your patio, that kind of thing. I'm gonna give them a thumbs up, unless I put them up and they stop working, but I'll show you that whole process anyway, so you know for yourselves. That was quick and easy, took 2 seconds. This was not the most permanent or professional of installation, but it should give us a really good idea what they look like. I think that's so cool. I'm a fan. Talk about value. Okay, I'm gonna include the link below. If you want these lights, buy them. There's nothing wrong with these. These are actually great. Forget nothing wrong. They're great. Use the link, buy them. Thank you. We'll see you next time.